multifamily residential buildings that date between 1945 and 1980 represent more than half of the European building stock. These buildings have the largest energy demand since they consume between 65 and 80% of the total energy consumption of EU buildings. Due to their age, most of them now require retrofitting or refurbishing intervention. Retrofitting is often associated with social, technological, industrial and economic barriers. The European collaboration project RetroKit addresses these problems in order to increase the EU retrofitting rate and contribute to EU energy reduction commitments. The different energy-reducing solutions made by RetroKit are tested at 3 building demos in 3 climate zones in Europe: Piteå in Sweden, Frankfurt in Germany and Madrid in Spain. One outcome of the project is the RetroKit Toolbox for simplified choices. The toolbox will cluster external retrofitting concepts and semi-prefabricated technological solutions. The toolbox will be supported by a decision support system that provides data, transparency on payback, guidelines and design support.
The idea of RetroKit was stemming from the experience of main players in Europe in the field of building and construction and renovation, and it is the answer to a really felt need of building owners but also companies active in the retrofitting business to have an omnicomprehensive response to their needs of energy efficiency and quality.
Building owners should choose the RetroKit Toolbox mainly for 2 reasons: modularity and scalability. Basically, using the RetroKit Toolbox, you can have the right solution at the right moment in the right place.
The RetroKit project is a collaboration project co-funded by the 7th Framework Programme of the European Union. The project has an extensive width of organizations involved in engineering services, construction, business development, sustainable design, window and air conditioning fabrication, research, energy efficiency, housing agency, and manufacturer for the building facade. Learn more about RetroKit project at retrokitproject.eu.